God and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's video is going to be very beneficial for all of you because in this video I will explain you, look at importance of body language in speaking English. If you want to know what is the importance of our body language while speaking in English or while communication, so this video is only for you. So please watch the video till the end and I guarantee you it is going to be very important for you, only for you. Look at, first of all I want to tell you what is language. I want to tell you language, you know, language is a source of communication. Language is a source of communication. If you want to send or receive any idea, if you want to send or receive any idea, so through language we can do this, isn't it? Today, first of all I want to tell you there are two types of language. There are two types of languages. Listen, first one is verbal. First one is verbal and the second one is non-verbal. There are two types of languages. First one is verbal and the second one is non-verbal. Listen, if I tell you about verbal language, so in verbal language, what do you mean by verbal language? Speaking. You know, our communication, our voice, what I am speaking at this time, it is called a verbal language. In speaking, what we get? Words, sentences and our voice. It is called verbal language. So overall, what do you mean by verbal language? What we speak, okay, and what we speak out, that is called our verbal language because we use verb in our communication. We use verb in our communication, that's why it is called verbal language. But today I am not telling you about verbal language because I have made a lot of videos on verbal language. In this video I will tell you non-verbal language because it plays very important role in our communication. Look at, if I tell you non-verbal language, so it is also known our body language. Non-verbal means our body language. Are you getting? So we not only speak but also use our body while speaking, isn't it? So this is very important section of communication. So you must have knowledge about this part. Look at, if I tell you body language, so body language is also divided in two parts. Body language is also divided in two parts. First one is our gesture, okay, and the second one is our posture. So what is the difference between gesture and posture? You must understand. First of all, I am telling you what do you mean by gesture. Look at, movement of the hand, you know, movement of the hand and the head, you know, head. So you know, gesture means movement of our hands. Look at my palm, okay. You know, our hands play very important role in communication. If you are not able to understand or if you are not able to explain anyone through your language, through your voice, okay, so our hands can play and our hands can explain anybody else, okay, through hand expression, isn't it? Okay, I am not able to explain or I am not able to figure out what I want to tell, but I am also using what? My hands, you know. So hands are very important tools of communication, okay. So in gesture we get our hands and head. You can see me at this time. I'm speaking as well as I'm using my hands. I'm using my hands while speaking. I'm using my hands. So what is this? That is called what? Gesture. Through my hands, I can express my ideas more comfortably. Okay. On the one hand, I'm using my voice. On the other hand, I'm using my hands. Okay. So how? Unity is the strength. So both are working together. Next one is head. Head. So what is the important part of our head? Our facial expression. you know at this time I am speaking. Okay, so while speaking our face must be little bit smiley. you know if I explain you everything very seriously, so you will not like my video, isn't it? If I smile, how you get attention, how you can get attention of others while having some smiley face. If your face is smiley, so everybody likes to talk to you. So while speaking in English, facial expression plays very important role. Okay, you can see my face. At this time I am sweating. I am sweating, but yet I have a smile on my face. Okay, so it's the magic of facial expression. Okay, so whenever we talk English, we should understand that we should not be too much serious while speaking. Because how face is the index of heart. Face is the index of heart. Okay, it means what you have emotions, how you express your emotion through your face, isn't it? So face plays very important role in English communication. Okay, so I would like to suggest you, while speaking in English, please have smiley face from which you can get attention of others. Then only everybody likes to interact with you if you have smiley face. Look at next, posture. What do you mean by posture? Position of sitting and standing. I want to tell you, when we talk in English, okay, so what people watch out, what people watch out, how we are standing. I'm talking with you, take it face to face. So you are watching my standing style or not. So while talking, we should stand properly and we should stand straightly. Okay, if I stand like this and like that, so camera will also ignore me. If I stand like this or little bit bent and all these things, so camera also ignores. So what about people? If technology can ignore you if you are not standing properly, so what about people? They must ignore you. You must have experience. If you make video or anything else, so if you don't stand properly, so camera will not attend or it will not give you any importance, isn't it? So standing is very compulsory, proper standing while speaking. Next one is what? Sitting. Like if you are talking with someone and your sitting posture is not good, like if you are sitting like this and like that, so nobody will like you. They will understand that you are not interested in his way of talking. Are you getting? So I mean to say our body plays very important role while speaking any language. So I hope you must have understood. So today I have explained you about non-verbal language. It means body language. What I have said today, please try. Whenever I speak, many people say me, you give a lot of expression. Okay, while making video, I use my hands and facial expression, all these things, because I know importance of facial or body expression. That's why I use in my videos. Okay, if I tell you, look at, if I am standing here and I say you, I want to tell you like this, and I'm making a video, so you will like this video. So I need to say it is not interested. You listen to me, but you are not getting any expression from me. So you will ignore me. So for getting attention of public, if you want to become a public speaker, so you must use this tool, non-verbal, like body language. Both the tools, both the two tools are very important, like your gesture and posture. Okay, so now I am ending this video, and you can use it practically. I can guarantee you, you will get a lot of changes in your life while using your body. Okay, so it was all about this class. That's it for today, and Jai Hind.